food time. Right, I'm getting hungry. I'm out at Davies Creek camping, and I'm about to cook up another backcountry cuisine. Now, I did cook up the chicken tikka masala. I've done a review on that. That must have been nearly 6 months ago now. And the chicken tikka masala, the backcountry meal, it scored quite high in my book, so I was quite impressed with that. I would have given that probably a good 5 out of 5. This is the Thai chicken curry. There it is up there. It's got 3 chilies on it. Hopefully that's nice and spicy. I like spicy food. So I'll get some water into the jet boil, and we'll boil up some water and cook away. I don't know if you really call this cooking or not, but pouring hot water into a bag and then eating it. My type of cooking. All right, let's do it. Righto, we've got some instructions up the top there. Basically, flip open the bottom of the bag and tear open the top, chuck in our water and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes and then gobble it up. So nice, pretty simple instructions on the back there. And there's all our ingredients and our lucky numbers and everything else, and our nutritional information. Cooking in the bush. Let's just get the lid off here. Now, what does it say on this? It says 1 cup of water. So 250 mils, there's the marker. 250 mils. Pop the lid on, we'll get the gas cooking. The old, of course, still quite impressed with this jet boil. Now, there's a little tear bar along the back here, so we'll just rip that top bit off. That was nice and easy. Pull open the bottom like it says, so it's quite flat. Open it up like that. There's nothing else inside, just the food. I'll give you a look on the inside there. I don't know if you can see that, but it is all dry, freeze dried. And this water is just about boiled already. A good old jet boil. I'll tell you what, it doesn't muck around. Look at that steam coming out, so I'll turn that off. I usually use the spoon to get these lids off, otherwise you'll burn your fingers. I've learnt the hard way. So we'll pour our 1 cup of water in. And pop that to the side. We'll close this up. There's a little zippy lock thing along the top there. That doesn't seem to seal too well. I found with the other one it was just easier to fold it over like that. Grab the very edges so you don't burn your fingers and just give it a bit of a shake. And nothing seemed to leak out when I done it with the tikka masala one. No doubt the Thai chicken curry is going to be no different. Shake, shake, shake. Give it a good shake. Make sure there's no lumpy bits left in there. Probably overkill. Righto. Let's wait 10 minutes. Righto, here we go. It's been 12 minutes since we've poured that hot water in. So let's open her up and have a look. Okay, I just might give it one more little bit of a shake. Let's give it another mix. There's a bit of water floating on top there. Righto. Let's see if we can see in here. There we go. That's what we got. It looks not too bad to me. It smells pretty good. So we'll have to do the taste test and see what we all reckon. Righto, got my trusty spoon. Smells good. I might try and tear it along the tear line here. I know with the chicken tikka masala, it wanted to kind of like tear down the bag because the sticker was in the way, but the sticker on this one's a little bit higher up. It's actually tearing, not too bad at the moment. Although that could be famous last words, couldn't it? Ooh. Down the page a little bit. Ah. I think they made them for. That's what I've got so far. I don't think this tear along that dotted line is such a great idea. Although, and there's got me to my tucker. Here it is here. Don't want to tip it too much up the side, otherwise I'll lose it all. But here we go. Thai chicken curry. Let's have a go. Oh, that is spicy. Yeah, I'll give it the 3 chilies. That's not too bad. I like the spice. I think it's rice. It is a bit. I probably could have let it. I let this sit for about nearly 15 minutes. I reckon you probably need to let it sit for maybe 20 minutes. It says 10 to 15 on the packet, but the rice is a little bit, just a little bit firm. The flavour's not too bad. Spice is good. If that rice was a little bit softer, I think this could be a winner as well. So they're not too bad, the old Back Country Cuisines. I'm quite impressed with that chicken tikka masala. That was. I've actually got one in the back of the bike, but I thought I'd try something different and give this one a go. The Thai chicken curry. The chicken pieces aren't too bad. They're quite chewy. Tastes like chicken. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's probably what you would expect from a freeze-dry meal. The chicken tikka masala, that surprised me. That was way better than I expected. This one's probably what you should expect. I'd give this about a 4. Yeah, about a 4 out of 5, I reckon. Chicken tikka masala, 5+. That was good. All right. There's a bit of spring onion in there. There's some square chicken bits. There's beans. There's a few other things in there as well. Mushrooms. Peanut or cashews. A few cashews in here. Oh, it's a bit of a mixed bag. I'm enjoying it. 4 out of 5. That'll work for me. I'd probably buy this again. Although they're not cheap, so I'd probably buy something different just to compare them and see what I do like the best. But all right, well, I'm going to eat away and enjoy this.